it takes a lot of resources for consumers to override their impulses for unhealthy behavior. It takes a lot of thinking and a lot of strong will. And consumers might be tired, they might not have the mental bandwidth to think, and in all of those situations, they might make the wrong choice based on their impulse. And one way to correct for that is to make your decisions non-decisions, which are basically habits. Habits are things that you would do automatically. Say, if you go to lunch, you always order a salad. You don't need to decide if you have a rule and if you have a habit that you always only get salads for lunch. So that's one way for consumers to stick to their healthy behavior. That is to take the decisions out of it so that they can just roll with their habits. So one suggestion for consumers would be to think about areas in which they can decide not to decide and form a rule for themselves to always go with the healthy habit. That in the long run will work better than relying on yourself to make the healthy decision every single time.